Hello everyone and welcome to my channel, Mr. Life Simple Man. And today the topic that I'm going to show you is the unboxing of the Mercedes W202 spare part. And this one is a later model on 1999, so be careful on which part number that you need to have. And today part that going to unboxing to you is the spark plug wire cable. And for C180 you need only two connector plug, and the part that I choose to change and I recommend that high quality for the electric ignition system, because it's a very critical part. If you choose the budget line brand, it may perform not so well and not long life much as the OEM. And today I chose Beru part, and the part number is ZEF988. Let's check it out inside. As you may know, the Beru and Bosch is the OEM manufacturer for the OE part by Mercedes, and Beru is still like the premium brand that you can trust on everything, that you will have like quality as a OE, but the price is not high as a genuine part from Mercedes. This unit I bought it about 40 euros from my local parts store, and this internet shop it could be quite good price. And the box is written that it's made in France from 2020 here, so it's a new production, not the new old stock. Let's check it out together. Yeah. So the most important to see is check, because the M111 engine is quite rare to use on the connector plug type. You have to be sure which one is correct to you. Even you may have a correct chassis number, but be sure, because during the last 20 year plus, you have to be sure that everything is still the same as you're going to change. And this one is the most important. While the cable, the length may be a little bit different, but Beru original style, they always give you a little bit longer than the original part. And the second that I see here is the color. The OE is a little bit pale red, as I will show you in the end, but Beru give the black, which is okay. And the part number is here. So this is it. Be careful on the part you buy, because I don't want you to buy more than one time, waste of money and waste your time to resale after unusable part, as we know. Okay, so I hope this clip is useful for you. This is only the unboxing part, and for people who interest how I will change or how to change the spark plug cable on your engine, please check it out on the clip mentioned below. Thank you very much for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.